I'm Groenhout, Product Manager for CAMO. I want to walk you through the offering of CAMO Universal Deck Clips and two CAMO tools, Lever and Drive, that help builders have the best groove deck installation possible. First, let's talk about our clip offering. We've got the Starter Clip, Edge Clip, Edge X Clip, and Edge X Metal Clip. These clips work on all grooved boards. These universal hidden deck clips cover every type of deck pattern. Use the Starter Clip to get your first board down and Edge Clips for 90-degree deck patterns, or use the Edge X Clip for any angled deck pattern on wood joists. For installs on metal substructure, use Edge X Metal Clips. The T15 Torx head is the best drive system available to reduce cam outs known as screw stripping. A small screw head size allows for smaller gaps between boards and easy removal. You don't need a lot of torque. Reduce your drill setting to 30% of maximum. That means easier fastening. Let's go over to the test deck and begin with the Starter Clips. Use these for any deck pattern on wood joists. They come packaged 25 clips and 25 screws and will cover 30 lineal feet. Stainless steel for great corrosion resistance. Why are they better than the others? They bite into the joist for a secure hold. It's easy to get your first board installed. Here's how they work. Place clip on the joist, centered with the cross joist, and fasten. Repeat by installing a starter clip at every joist. Put your board in place, tilt the board up slightly, and set it onto the clips. Gently push the board down to lock in place. Look easy? Well, that's because it is. All the CAMO Universal Deck Clips are easier, faster, and better than the competition. Unlike other hidden clips that require a partial install and then a second pass to fasten them completely, Edge and Edge X allow you to set up rows of boards for one pass fastening. The difference between Edge, Edge X, and Edge X Metal Clips is pretty simple. Edge Clip sits on the joist with gusset in the groove for 90-degree deck patterns. Edge X and Edge X Metal grab into the groove of the board for any angled deck pattern. When it comes to the screws, Edge and Edge X have a self-tapping screw that easily bites into wood, while Edge X Metal features a drill point screw to bore into metal. These clips have a stainless steel gusset that holds boards down when fastened, reducing lateral movement up to 88% stronger than leading manufacturer's clips. Uplift holding power is up to 50% stronger than leading manufacturer's clips. Not only stronger, the innovative design allows for top-down access for easy board replacement. How about butt joints? Got it covered. We always recommend double joists for any seam and a clip at each joist. Simply break the legs off your Edge clips or use Edge X clips for a secure end-to-end transition. These clips come in 90 count for 50 square feet of coverage, 450 count for 250 square feet of coverage, and a 900 count which covers 500 square feet. Now let's put them to work. Whether you are using Edge, Edge X, or Edge X Metal Universal Deck Clips, the installation method is basically the same. Put down the starter row, set the boards and clips, secure the boards, fasten. Now that you have a starter row, simply place a clip at every joist location, either onto the joist with the Edge clip or into the groove with the Edge X clip. Note with the Edge X and Edge X Metal, if you're not lined up with a joist, just slide it over until it's centered. Easy. Then simply slide the next board over the clips and repeat the process, laying out rows of boards and clips until you're ready to fasten. Before fastening, you'll need to secure the boards. Do this by using the last board to push the boards together, allowing the clips to set a consistent gap. Have a crew member hold the last board in place until it can be fastened. For fastening, prepare by setting your drill torque to 30% and insert the provided T15 driver bit. Notice I said drill. We recommend that you do not use an impact driver. With your drill set, it's time to fasten. Included in every pail is the Never Miss Guide, a super little tool that makes it easy. Just remember, this is a fastening guide, not a gap guide. Use only for fastening and after you've secured and locked the gaps of your deck boards. Start by fastening all the clips along the last board, pop the guide onto the exposed screw, and drive until you hear your drill clutch disengage. Move to the next screw and fasten your way back to the beginning of the deck. The finished result is a beautiful fastener-free surface on your outdoor living space. As you can see, CAMO Universal Deck Clips are easy to set and fast to drive. Time tests have shown that these clips cut installation time in half. Here's how they stack up across the board with other hidden deck clips. Builders can have great groove deck installs with Edge, EdgeX, EdgeX metal clips, and the Never Miss guide. But for truly the better way to build a deck, they should take advantage of two innovative CAMO tools that save even more time and reduce the labor they need. CAMO Lever and Drive. Instead of having a crew member, or two, hold the boards and clips tight for fastening, add 2 to 4 CAMO levers to your crew. This better board bender adjusts to single, double, and steel joists, is easy to set on the joist, and it locks in place with one turn, so you can walk away to fasten. When it comes to saving time, an install doesn't get any faster than with the CAMO Drive stand-up tool. The Drive tool quickly and easily allows you to move from joist to joist, fastening the clips. In time studies, when our clips are paired with the CAMO Drive tool, installation speeds improve up to 5 times faster. The Drive tool attaches to your cordless drill, fastens clips, CAMO collated edge screws, and face screws. It comes with the bits and attachments you need. It's easy on the body, and that's great for builders who do this every day. Compared to other tools for other hidden fastening installs, Drive is less expensive. That means crews can easily have 2 Drive tools to fly through the install. There's no need for an air hookup, and great versatility for a builder who doesn't just install groove deck board. Now that we've gone through a quick demo of CAMO Universal Deck Clips, Lever, and Drive, I'm sure you'll agree that CAMO is truly the better way to build a deck. Thank you.